Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how some of the most useful AI tools work in a simple and clear way. Let's start with ChatGPT. It's an AI you can chat with, ask questions, and get instant answers. As you see here, I just type a question and it responds in seconds. Next is Suno AI, a tool that creates music. You only need to type a short prompt and it generates unique tracks with waveforms and a built-in player to preview your sound. Now, meet Otter.ai. This app transcribes speech to text automatically, perfect for meetings, notes, or capturing ideas without typing. Then we have Canva, one of the most popular design platforms. With ready templates and drag-and-drop tools, you can create stunning visuals in just minutes. And finally, Grammarly, your AI writing assistant. It helps you write clearly, fix grammar, and improve style with real-time suggestions. These are just a few of the AI tools that make work and creativity faster and easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips.